Hello, you're watching Forex video calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Katerina Stikhina. The following economic events are expected on Thursday and Friday. The European Central Bank will announce its decision on the key interest rate for June. Market participants expect the rate to remain unchanged at 0%. At a meeting on April 27, the ECB voted to keep the rate at the same level of 0% as expected. The target asset purchase volumes will amount to 60 billion euro till the end of 2017. The rates are expected to remain at current or lower levels for a long time. The cyclical recovery of the EU economy is stabilizing and the risk of recession have decreased. At the same time, citing ECB President Mario Draghi, massive monetary stimulus is still needed to bolster calm inflation in the medium term. On Friday, the National Bureau of Statistics of China is to release data on inflation in May of 2017. Analysts expect the consumer price index to rise by 1.5% year-over-year. The annual inflation in China accelerated to 1.2% in April from March, when it increased by 0.9%. At the same time, food prices fell by 3.5% after a decline by 4.4% in the previous month. Prices for non-food products jumped by 2.4% in April, following a 0.1% rise in the previous months. Growth in China's producer prices, the leading indicator of inflation, eased in April amid a continuing decline in steel and coal prices. The release of another important indicator, the UK industrial production, is scheduled on Friday. Economists expect the UK production index to increase by 0.7% in April from the previous month. UK industrial output fell by 0.5% in March after a drop by 0.8% in February. Economists had forecast a decline by 0.4%. The UK industrial production has been shrinking for a third consecutive month. On a year-on-year basis, industrial production expanded by 1.4%, defying economists' expectations for an increase of 1.9%. Moreover, the market awaits the following event by the end of the week. On Thursday, China and Australia will publish their foreign trade data. Switzerland will release the inflation rate change in May. The United Kingdom general election is scheduled to take place on June 8th. The US Department of Labor will issue a report on initial jobless claims. On Friday, the UK will release reports on manufacturing production and trade balance. Canada will end the week with the publication of employment data. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Katerina Stikhina. Have a profitable deals with ИнстаФорекс.